alay tol, pinapato ko na sa dede ko yung siko ko.
Avelino Daniel James Pico. With high honors, award for research, third place in best quantitative research. Research title, Perceptions on the Use of Artificial Intelligence in Academic Learning of Senior High School Learners. Computer Systems Servicing MC2 Hazard. First award, Computer Systems Servicing MC2 Service Award, Supreme Secondary Learning Government. Loyalty Award. City 2025 Gold Medalist. Silver Medalist.
Daming award.
Espada y Gaga, Silver Medalist. Please. Bulacan, Silver Medalist, Full Contact. Gold Medalist, Sacred Double Pastor. Silver Medalist, Full Contact Arnis. Silver Medalist, Synchronized Arnis. Silver Medalist, Synchronized Espada Dakar. Gold Medalist, Solo Pastor. Gold Medalist, Batang Pinoy Qualifier. Congratulations. Bora Andy Jr. Toro. Computer Systems Servicing NC2 Packer. Gold Medalist. Full Contact Arnis.
Wrestling ako tol, gusto ko na marami sa ito.
2025 Gold Medalist. Full Contact Arnis. City 2024. Computer Systems Servicing NC2 Passer.
Yogo may peras. Ayun doon sa leg. Ayun, di ba? Di ba? Gatag.
Lawrence Ray Lagrada. Computer Systems Servicing NC2 Passer. John Cardell Alves, with high honors, award for outstanding performance in mathematics. KNHS Mathematics Quiz B, champion. KNHS Mathematics Quest 2025, champion. KNHS Mathematics Quiz B, Senior High School 2024, first place. 2025 Olympic Division E Chess Tournament. 2024 Olympic Division City Tournament Chess. Friendly Chess Tournament 2024. KNHS Sports Fest 2024 Champion Chess. Award for outstanding performance in technical vocational education, information and communication technology, contact service award. Computer System Servicing NC2 Passer Loyalty Award. Congratulations for that. Magtayang John Gilbert Juan, Computer System Servicing NC2 Passer, Assessor's Choice Award, Computer System Servicing NC2.
Sarema na no? Oo. Congrats tol. Awat niya. Yeah pa. NC2 passer.
Bob Froylan, Computer System Servicing NC2 Passer Loyalty Award.
Wala kayo binibining sa yan. Ganda nyo naman po. Parang beauty pageant po ang attend niya. Pwede po yan. Video po to eh.
Soriano Jerry Peter Lance Paliza
Hindi mo.
with high honors, Leadership Award, Pandayan Award, First Participant Think Tank Award of the City Awards Cup 2026, second runner-up in Project Shoot, 2025 World Day Against Trafficking in Persons, Supreme Secretary Winner Government Public Information Officer, Senior High School Project Awards President, Yes Oklahoma National High School President 2024-2025, Award for Work Immersion in Information and Communications Technology, Award for Research, third place in West Quantitative Research, Research title, Perceptions of the Use of Artificial Intelligence in Academic Learning of Senior High School Learners, Computer System Servicing XT2 Passer, Service Award Supreme Secretary Learner Government Public Information Loyalty Award. Congratulations, Jerry. Vicente Kurt Nathaniel Mendola with honors award for research, third place in best quantitative research title, Receptions on the Use of Artificial Intelligence in Academic Learning of Senior High School Learners, Computer Systems Servicing NC2 Passer, Service Supreme Secretary Learner Government, Grade 12 Representative. He's also a recipient of Royalty Award. He received gold medal for Solo Bastard Arnis prior 2025. Bronze medalist Synchronized Arnis, bronze medalist Solo Bastard Arnis, bronze medalist Solo Bastard Synchronized Arnis, CTE 2025 gold medalist Solo Bastard Arnis, bronze medalist Full Contact, bronze medalist Solo Bastard Synchronized, Backup Hero 2025 qualified. Congratulations, Kurt Nathaniel Mendola Vicente, World Honors. Zafra Cyrus Ventura, Computer System Servicing NC2 Passer, Assessor's Choice Award, Computer System Servicing NC2, Service Award, Supreme Secretary Learner Government,
Congrats.
External Affairs Committee.
Exercise award. Mano kasi yan eh, joyful kasing tao yan to eh. Hindi lang halata. Assessor choice yan.
Arcon Mary Rain Alarcon
Wow.
with honors, Computer System Servicing NC2 Passer, Service Award Information and Communications Technology, Loyalty
Anak ba bawal
Award.
sumigaw?
Elona Sophia Isabel Alaba, Computer System Servicing NC2 Passer,
The graduates from Technical Vocational Livelihood Track under Student Mental Art Welding Stand, headed by their advisor, Sir Joseph Aquilo Isar, and also may call on Madam Sunshine Pagod to be assisting the awards.
Children of Mental Art Welding. Alejandria John Lower Tolentino. Children are Mental Welding NC1 and
Nakakabis ka
NC2
makapagkwentuhan.